Okay, so to remove the cabin filter from this Mk1 Fabia, we just slide these two clips in, and this just pulls out there. You can see a lot of the detritus that's caught inside, and then it just pulls out. Like so. So that comes out, and we'll put a fresh one in. Note the direction of travel, airflow that way. So we want to make sure the airflow goes down into the car as we put the new one in. Okay, so here's the new filter. Again, using man filter, absolutely swear by them. Wouldn't use anything else. And again, airflow wants to be going down, remember this time we said, so. There it goes. And just slide it across like so. Really simple, really easy. Hope that helps. Do please leave a comment below if you've got any questions or any constructive feedback. Constructive feedback respectfully delivered is a gift. I truly believe that, and I'm very, very grateful for all of your comments. Also, please consider subscribing. I will be sure to upload more videos, and be sure to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Okay, so to remove the... Oh my goodness. What have you been driving on of her? It's horrendous, yeah. Oh, well, that's a load of isn't it? That's not right at all.